Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Oma Cakes and Food. So a client from Senegal called me to go surprise her relative here in Owerri, and when we met her, her reaction was so priceless and emotional. So guys, let me know if you've been surprised before and what you think about her reaction. But for me, all I have to say is that blood is thicker than water.
She came home, I might be begging for flour. Nina gave me flour. Are you sure? Is it my husband?
I don't know.
Who
take the
now?
chocolates first. Then take this one.
Chiwa did that. No, I don't want to give anybody. Who gave me now? Help me, help me. Chiwa, help me.
Take this one.
Go on now. Who gave me? Who gave me now? Hey! Sister like no other. Okay, see? Oh God! Okay, see, thank you. Oh my God! Hey, okay, see? From outside, this gave me. Okay, see, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Wishing you long life and prosperity.
Thank you. But they want me.
Guys, what do you think about how appreciative she was? With her kind of spirit, if I were to be her sister, I would do more for her. Like, she's so appreciative, and that's so good. So guys, like my post, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.